Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, how to play funky bass riffs from 1974. Skin Tight by the Ohio Players. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G, and we'll start the song by playing this funky riff. We'll be repeating that throughout the tune. We're going to play that by going to fret 7 on the D string and play 7, 5, 7. We'll go to the open A string and play open, 3, 5, open. So that was. We'll go back up to the D string and play 7, 5, 7. We'll go back to the A string and play 3 twice. 5, 3, open, open. So here's our riff. Next, we'll learn the bridge, which is a little tricky, but we can do this. The bridge will sound like this. Then back into the tune. Here's how we're going to play that. We'll break it up into small pieces. We'll start at fret 8 on the E string. We'll go to fret 5 on the A string, 5, 7, 8. And also on the D string, 5, 7, 8. And then back to the A string, 8, 7, 6. So here we go. 8, 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6. So that's. Then we'll move to the G string and we'll play 9, 10, 11. And then 2 notes on the open D string. So that's. Then we'll go to fret 7 on the G string and play. And then open D twice. Back to 7. So here's what we played. Next we'll go up to fret 12 on the G string, play it twice, fret 11, and then we'll slide up to fret 19. So we just quickly slid up there and hit it twice, and then we'll play the open D string 3 times. So here's what we're playing. Once more. Then we'll go back to the E string and play the progression we played before, but we'll lead into it with fret 7 on the E string, like that. So it's so that was 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, and we'll end it by going to fret 5 on the D string, playing that, and then we'll play fret 5 on the G string and slide it down, like that. So it's, and then we'll go back into our normal groove. So here's the entire thing. Well, all right. That's how I play Skin Tight by the Ohio Players on electric bass. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.